Welcome to our channel Competition Grid. Here we are going to discuss current affairs daily. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get further notifications. Now I am going to discuss May 5th, 2020 current affairs. Here is the first question. What is the total number of states integrated with One Nation, One Ration Card plan as Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Shri Ram Vilas Paswan approved the integration of 5 new states and union territories recently. Total members are 17 members. Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Distribution Ram Vilas Paswan approved the integration of 5 more states and union territories under One Nation and One Ration Card plan, which has already 12 existing states, taking a total number of 17 states and union territories. Next one. Name the first Indian state which has announced to provide free and cashless insurance protection to people. That is Maharashtra. The Health Minister of Maharashtra, Rajesh Tope, announced that Maharashtra will be the first state to provide free and cashless insurance protection to the people and the covered under the government's health scheme for the treatment of COVID-19 patients at the private hospitals in Pune and Mumbai. The government has signed a MOU with the General Insurance Public Sector Association. This insurance scheme was implemented under the name of Rajiv Gandhi Jeevan Daye Arogya Yojana on the 1st April 2017 throughout Maharashtra in a phase manner of 4 years period. But it was changed on 13th April 2017. It is changed as the scheme name called Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Jan Arogya Yojana. Now under this scheme, it is providing free and cashless insurance protection to people. Its CEO is Dr. Sudhakar Shinde. Deputy CEO is Joshna Padiyar. Next one. Union Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Narendra Singh Tomar has added 200 new mandis to the ENAM platform for 7 states recently. What is the constituency of Narendra Singh Tomar? He is from Morena, which is located in Madhya Pradesh. Some other constituency of ministers of Purushottam Rupala is from Gujarat and Kailash Chaudhary, he is from Baito Barmar, he is from Rajasthan. Next one. Tata Consultancy Services TCS will launch the first fully digital bank for which country? It is Israel. India's largest software services firm TCS will launch Israel's first fully digital bank in what is being seen as transformative initiative that can impact the business model of other sectors as well of Israel. Next one. Name the professor of Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research who has been elected as international member to American Academy of Arts and Science. She is Shobhana Narasimha. Professor Shobhana Narasimha, head of Computational Nanoscience Group from the Theoretical Science Unit, Jawaharlal Nehru Center of Advanced Scientific Research, an autonomous institute under the Department of Science and Technology of Government of India, has been elected as the international honorary member to American Academy of Arts and Science. The chairman of the board is Nancy C. Andrews. He is from the Drake University School of Medicine. President is David W. Oxboto, American Academy of Arts and Sciences. It is located in Cambridge of US, founded in 1780. Next one. Talapil Pradeep has been conferred with the 25th Nikkei Asian Prizes 2020 in Science and Technology category recently. He is the professor at which institute? He is professor at IIT Madras. IIT Madras Director General is Professor Bhaskar Ramamurthy. It is located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Professor T. Pradeep, he is from Institute Professor, and Deepak Farag, Institute Chairman Professor at the Department of Chemistry and IIT Madras, honored with Padma Shri Award in January 2020. The prize, this T. Pradeep has been conferred with 25th Nikkei Asia's Prize. In this prize, he included a class prize of 3 million yen and given an award certificate, and it is scheduled to be awarded in Tokyo of Japan later after this coronavirus effect. If you talk about 25th Nikkei Asia's Prize winners, here are some winners in various categories. First, Economic and Business Innovation category. Under this, Mr. Anthony Tan, he is a CEO of Grab Malaysia, and MS Ton Hoi Ling, he is co-founder of Grab Malaysia. They got this 25th Nikkei Asian Prize under the category of Economic and Business Innovation. And T. Pradeep, he got under the category of Science and Technology. Mr. Ram Prasad Khadel, he is founder of Muse. He got under the category Culture and Community. Next one, which among the following country will host RIMPAC, the Rim of the Pacific exercise, the world largest international maritime warfare exercise? That is United States of America. The US Navy said recently it will host the world largest maritime exercises in Hawaii again this year, but drills will only be held at the sea because of the coronavirus. The Navy has held the Rim of the Pacific exercises in Hawaii every 2 years since 1990s. Next one, which Indian trade body or association is going to launch e-commerce marketplace Bharat Market for retail traders in India? That is Confederation of All India Traders, CAIT. Headquarters located in New Delhi. Secretary General is Praveen Khandelwal. Confederation of All India Traders, the leading advocate for small traders and business in India, in association with several technological partners, will soon launch a national e-commerce platform called Bharat Market, with a website that is www.bharatimarket.in for all retail traders in India who have served Indian consumers for years. Next one, the Badminton World Federation WF has postponed World Championship 2020 to November 2021. The tournament will take place in which country? It will take place in Spain. The BWF Badminton World Federation postponed Badminton World Federation Champion 2020 to the November 29 to December 5th, 2021, which is traditionally held in August. The tournament will take place at Caroline Marin Stadium, Huelva in Spain. If you talk about this WPF, president is Paul Erik Hoyer, founded in 1934, headquarters located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. President is David Covelo Marancu. Director Secretary General is Dolores Moreno Cape, and Sports Director is David Sereno Vilches. Headquarters located in Madrid, Spain. Next one, The United Kingdom's Peter Ebdon, who announced retirement recently, is the former world champion in which sports? He is from snooker. Next one. Prahlad Singh Patel has released the e-book titled Professor B.B. Lal India Rediscovered. Recently, on the occasion of 100th birthday of great archaeologist Professor Braj Lal Prahlad Singh Patel, he is Minister of which Indian ministry? He is from Culture Ministry. If you talk about Archaeological Survey of India, headquarters located in New Delhi, Director General is Usha Sharma. Next one, the scientist of US discovers first known aquatic dinosaurs named Spinosaurus agbitiochus recently in North Africa. The study was published in which journal? It is published in General Nature. The team of scientists from various universities of US has discovered a carnivorous meat-eating swimming dinosaur named Spinosaurus agbitiochus at the Kem region of the Moroccan Sahara in North Africa. The discovery, supported by the assistance from the National Geographic Society, is published in the journal called Journal Nature. Next one, the World Professional Billiards and Snookers Association is headquartered at which city? It is located in Bristol. Next one, who is the present Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution? He is Ram Vilas Paswan. Next one, the Sarika Tiger Reserve is located in which state? It is located in Rajasthan. The 13th section of Ministry of Tourism Dekho Apna Desh webinar title Destination Sarika Tiger Reserve is a presentation and virtual tour of wildlife adventure safari experience for the traveler with the Sarika Tiger Reserve in Alwar district, Rajasthan. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.